my name is Kathy Hooks, and I'm doing my activity on conflict, which can be found in Chapter 11. Wasn't it going? And today I'm going to talk about toxic conflict, which can be found on page 339 and 340, and I'm going to focus on the four horsemen. According to our textbook, John Gottman says that there are four destructive signs to look for. 1, criticism. 2, defensiveness. 3, contempt. And 4, stonewalling. And I'm going to break down each category through each slide. Number 1, which is criticism. These are attacks on a person's character. The book states critical characters assault evaluation you messages. For example, you're so thoughtless you never think of anyone but yourself. Number 2, defensiveness. This is a reaction that aims to protect one, presenting self by denying responsibility. Although some self-protection is understandable, problems arise when a person refuses to listen or even acknowledge another's concern. An example of this would be, "You're crazy, I'd never do that." And they'll even counterattack by also saying, "You're worse about that than I am." Number 3, contempt. Contemptuous comment belittles and demeans. It can take a form of name calling and put downs. Contempt can also be communicated non-verbally through dramatic eye rolls and disgusted sighs. Examples of this could be, "You're a jerk," or even a sarcastic barb, "Oh, that was brilliant." Now just imagine saying these nasty comments while rolling your eyes and just sighing at the end like, "You're a jerk." You know, that just comes off really rude. And number 4, which was stonewalling. This occurs when one person in a relationship withdraws from the interaction, shutting down dialogue and any chance of resolving the problem in a mutually satisfying way. It'll send a disconfirming "you don't matter" message to the other person. And examples of this would be just completely walking away in the middle of your argument, like not trying to resolve the issue, just dumped you by, "I have nothing else to say." And so for my activity, I want you guys to write from your own experience an example of the four horsemen. Show an example of how the conversation would look like, breaking down each step. And in the book, they had a little brief exchange illustration on how the four horsemen can lead to a destructive spiral of aggression. And I'll read it to you. It is, "You overdrew our account again. You can't do anything right." Criticism. "Hey, don't blame me. You're the one who spends most of the money." Defensiveness. "At least I had better math skills than a first grader. Way to go, Einstein." Contempt. Whatever. Completely walks away. That's stonewalling. So I want you guys to do something similar and make sure you add each breakdown. And for my discussion questions, I have 5 here, but you don't have to do all 5. You can pick 2. And here are the questions: is how do you deal with conflict? Have you ever tried looking at the situation from another point of view? Have you ever dealt with conflict at work? If so, how did you deal with it? And when you see the word conflict, what do you think of? And have you ever dealt with conflict between a family member? I know I have. I have 4 brothers and no sisters, and that was definitely not fun. Well, thank you. I hope you guys continue to have an amazing day.